Hi guys, this is Sam Baker and welcome to my channel. And today this is Friday, which is the 7th of February 2020, and I'm going to make some baking today. So if you'd like to join me, and we'll be making pineapple upside down. So I hope you're having a good day, and so relax and get your pen and paper, and I'll show you as much as I can. Actually, I'm having difficulty where to put you, but I'll try my best so you can see what I'm doing. And yeah, so before we start, make sure that you turn on your oven to 160 degrees preheated. So when everything is ready, then you just have to put it in your oven. So I'll put you here. Right. So there you are. I hope you can see me. That way, that's better, I think. So we're gonna make pineapple upside down cake. So all we need is butter, which is 120 grams butter, which I already melted. We need as well 2 cups of plain flour. We need as well 2 egg yolks in there. And we need as well baking powder. And we need vanilla extract in there. And we need a cup of brown sugar or demerara sugar. We need a pint of water, boiled water, or I should say not too cold but just warm water. And we have here as well obviously our cake pan, which I already greased with butter, and I already put as well at the bottom. You can see I put the baking paper, so that protects our cake. So we're gonna start first with making our mixture. So with this baking pan, like what I said before you start, make sure your oven is on for 160 degrees. So this one, I'm going to put first the pineapple inside the pan. So what we're gonna do is we're going to put a bit of sugar and this one in our mixture of 120 grams butter. We're gonna put all our sugar first so we can caramelize the top or the bottom of our cake. So all you need is this one, which is 1 cup of brown sugar or demerara sugar. So we put it to our melted butter, and then we mixed it, we whisked it. That's what you do, you mix it. So that's your butter and your sugar together. And then once that's mixed, you have to put a little in your pan at the bottom. So I'll put a little in here. So I'm just gonna spread them into your pan. So that's your sugar and your butter. So you're gonna put it in your pan, because when you put it, when you turn your cake later on, that's why it's called upside down, because your bottom will be your top. So that's why you have to put some sugar and butter in it. So it's like caramelized. So that's what we do first. So make sure you have enough there. that's what we're doing just now. Spread the butter on the sugar. So you don't really need a lot of sugar in your mixture because you already have like sugar and butter in the top. So you'll see it later when we do the upside down. So yeah, so make sure you have enough there. And then what we're gonna do with our mixture is we're gonna add, so after you mix already the butter and the sugar, you can add your 2 egg yolks, right? I'll show you. I hope you can see that. So there's the 2 eggs. I separated them. I don't normally crack them into my mixture just in case the eggs is off. So I put them in a separate dish before I put them into my mixture. And then you mix them all together. So now you've got there your butter, your sugar, and your 2 eggs. And now we're going to add our 2 cups of flour. You can use self-raising flour, you can use plain flour as well. So that's 2 cups in there into the mixture, right? There you go. And then we need as well this pineapple slices. I get this from Asa, they're only 50 pence. So you're going to open them. And then you need to get the juice. You need to put the juice into our mixture. So you pour the mixture in there, which is the pineapple juice. Right? So you do that. Make sure you get all the juice from the can. And then we're going to put as well a pinch of baking powder into our mixture. You're going to ask me maybe 1/3 of the teaspoon. And then this one as well, we're going to put vanilla extract, which is just a teaspoon as well. Or even half a teaspoon because we don't want to taste it vanilla, we want to taste it pineapple. So just really a few drops, maybe 1, 2. So that's it. Just 2 drops of vanilla extract. And then you mix this. You mix your mixture together. It's going to be a bit lumpy like that, so you can add a bit of water. Not too much because it's not going to taste like pineapple. If it's getting like very resistant like that, you can get a baking spoon or a wooden spoon, and then you can just mix them. Make sure you mix them properly. If you think that they're too thick, you can add a bit more water. You can add a bit more water into your mixture. There you go. So you can see it's going to be like, not watery, but more softer mixture. So your cake will be more nicer. So it will be more like, a sponge will be more nicer and soft. So you have to mix it properly. See that? And you can smell the pineapple. There you go. And then we'll set it aside for now. And then I'm going to show you with our tray. So now we have here the butter with the sugar. So we're going to put now our pineapple slices. So yeah, so you need pineapple slices will be better. And then you have to put one on the side of your pan and another one. So that's what our pineapple looks like. See, that's why it's nice when it goes upside down. There's another one. So it's 4. And the remaining of the juice, I put it together with our mixture. Right? So this is what it's going to look like. And you see, there's the 4 pineapple slices in there. And then we're gonna set it aside again, and then we're gonna continue mixing our mixture. And while we're doing this, don't forget that make sure that your oven is already preheating to 160 degrees. So yeah, so when you think that your mixture is ready, it shouldn't be too thick or too thin. It's supposed to be like this, you see? So your sponge will be nice and soft. So when it's all mixed, right, you can put your mixture into the baking pan, wherein you already have there your butter with sugar and the slices of pineapple. And then you're just going to pour this on the top, your mixture, into the pan, right? I know you can't see me, but never mind me. At least you can see what I'm doing. And that's our vlog anyway. It's about baking. So yeah. I'll just put you there. So at least you can see what I'm doing. Not like I'm just talking. So at least you know how to do them. If you want to make your own pineapple upside down. So yeah, so you have to make sure all your mixture is into the pan. And then you have to mix. Just have to spread your mixture. You have to shake it. And then you make sure that there's no bubbles on the top. And then voila, that's it. And it's ready to go to the oven. And then, if our mixture is ready, then we'll put it into the oven, which is 160 degrees preheated. And then I'll get back to you again in a few minutes, in half an hour, for 30 to 35 minutes. And I'll show you the finished product of our pineapple upside down cake. So grab your tea or whatever you're doing and come back. Hi guys, so we're back. This is half an hour after and our cake is ready. I've actually used this one, which is a chopstick, as you can see, because I don't have a toothpick, to test if my cake is ready. So what I do is I poked it with this wooden chopstick, and then when there's nothing on the tip of it, that's when you know that your cake is ready. So here's our cake, and I want to show you the finished product. So I put it here just now so you can see the cake. There you go. That's it. So you can see the cake in there. So that's our cake. If you can see, it's all nicely cooked. And like what I said, you poked it with a toothpick or a wooden chopstick like this, and voila. See, there's nothing there. That means it's already cooked. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna get a plate, put it in the plate, and we're gonna put it upside down. So we're gonna flip it into the plate, or if you have a cake board, you can use it as well. And then you flipped it like that, and that's our cake. You can see it's clean. That's the goodness with putting oil or butter into your pan, and then a baking paper as well. So that's our finished product. There you go. So that's our pineapple upside down cake. There you go, guys. So that's, you can see the pineapple in there. That's why it's called pineapple upside down. Some people, they even use cherry as well to put in the middle. And yes, so it's all caramelized. And then when it's cooled down, and we can serve it. Some people, they serve it with ice cream, or some people serve it with custard or with cream. So whatever your preferences is, you can have it with your pineapple upside down cake. So I hope you try this one as well, because this is very cheap homemade pineapple upside down cake. All you need is 120 grams of melted butter, 1 cup of demerara sugar or brown sugar or white sugar, it's up to you. And then you need as well 2 cups of plain flour or self-raising flour. You need as well vanilla extract, which is like 2 drops of vanilla extra. You need as well baking powder, which is only like a pinch of baking powder. You need as well water, like a pint of water, but if you see my video, you just add in the water. And obviously you need 2 eggs as well. And then you need as well pineapple slices, so you can get them anywhere in the supermarket. Yeah, and all you need is only a cake pan as well. And obviously you need an oven wherein you can bake your cake for half an hour or 35 minutes. You just have to check them every time. It depends on the oven you're using. Is it electric or gas? It depends. So yes, all you have to do is check them every now and again. So yeah, so that's our pineapple upside down cakes. I hope you like this video, and if you do, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe, and I'll see you again for my next one. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Bye. Bye.